Chemical of the month today is our clinging degreaser. This is a glove-free clinging degreaser. You don't need any PPEs. It is a neutral pH. This product can be easily sprayed on any type of vertical surface. Since it does have the word clinging in its title, it will adhere to vertical surfaces. It is much easier to use than a regular type degreaser because it doesn't run. Spray it on, leave it for a few minutes, take a paper towel, go back and clean it off. It's safe for any type of surfaces. You can use it on stainless steel, you can use it on wood, you can use it on anything that you would have in your kitchen whatsoever at all. Again, this is our clinging degreaser, glove-free degreaser. For any questions that you may have, contact your local area manager.